here's the thing, I don't even like coconut, but that's because I've never had it in an actual real life coconut. I've only had coconut water in like the bottles and stuff. The bottle coconut is disgusting, but this is good. For all my fellow non-coconut likers, the actual coconut tastes good. If you don't like coconut, then I probably trust your taste buds. If you like coconut water and all that, your taste buds is shaky. Refreshing. Dance, dance, dance.
Maui Kush in my door.
Maui Kush? Y'all know about that?
Daisy, 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 daisy.
What the heck are y'all doing in this picture? It's nasty. This is an avocado tree. How cute is that? Look at these two. That's cake.
You're such a baby.
2 years from every time you plant a pineapple until you get to eat one.
Wow.
You get 1 pineapple per year per plant. Yeah.
You ate one? What does it taste like?
I feel like Antonio Brown right now.
What's this called?
Wow.
Indonesian wax ginger flower.
It does taste like a
Tastes like a lemon.
Dope. Brian, how long have you lived here?
6 years.
Shut up. Yes, ma'am. Exactly. And that's on period, poo. I forgot to bring running shoes or like hiking shoes. So I'm out here with some forces. Oh, hello. Renee, that's your style over there. They in there jumping in off the log.
Oh my god. That's me and isn't it?
I already know.
You gonna jump in? Absolutely.
Look at this. Honey, this is nature. Oh, cute. And we're done. I couldn't take my camera in there, obviously. But I definitely got in. That was cute or whatever. It was short, but it was cute. We spent a lot of time doing that. Now we're on the way to a restaurant. If you listen closely, you can hear the bamboo creaking.
You gotta go.
Hear that?
You know.
It's tasty. Want to try?
Sure, why not? I use my
Your stainless steel straw. This is the Canon G7X.
I don't think we on camera trying.
Come on. is it?
Wow.
Pat, give me my stuff. Give me my stuff. It's good though, right? I'm on the way to a sunset meditation, although the sun has already set, but I got to watch it. Wow, look at this. Look at that big ass cloud on top of the mountain. Can you see that? It's just like, damn, this is the earth, yo. There's a cloud. Y'all still can't, I feel like y'all ain't seeing. That's a cloud on top of the mountain. One thing I got to learn about Maui is that it's very dry. They're in a very dry season right now, but one of the mountains here is one of the top 5 most wet places on earth. So, fun fact. See here, they don't got roaches. They got lizards, salamanders. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And huh, honey, you see what's going on. I was knocked out.
Thank you for whoever just provided that light. Ooh, that looks so nice. Ooh, just a little top of that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow, you got the first one. Look at you, living your best life.
Don't worry, girl, I love you one more time. That's what I'm telling you. 'Cause it's a 2% party tonight. You and me together, that's the feeling. Worry, girl, I love you one more time.
Really?
What I'm telling you. It's a 2% party tonight. Have my regrets, much more than that. Especially love when we see you. More and more.
Regular. I feel like we're still in the yoga.
See more inside. And watch the sunlight. Anything you need, my heart will always be true. Anything you want, my heart will always be true. That you will always be mine. You fly all over my heart. Let's sing. My love will never die. No, you will always be a part of me. I'm part of you indefinitely. Oh, baby, no, you can't escape me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. Linger on. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
Hey, yeah. Hey, Charmaine.
It's long as a short thing.
Hey. You must not know about me. I could have another year by tomorrow. Don't you ever for a second get to thinking you're here a place above. Morning Wonderfuls. Last day in Hawaii. Technically tomorrow's the last day, but this is like the last full day and night. And I'm just taking it all in. You know, I'm gonna head down to the beach, get some beach play in. Today we're gonna be at our cabana, so I'll see y'all then. But I'm gonna go enjoy the beach. Aren't these earrings cute? Burlington Coat Factory. I be telling y'all, go to Burlington Coat Factory and get your earrings. Isn't that crazy that they have like cute earrings? These are from I think they're Guess. And then this bathing suit, all these bathing suits are from the Matte brand. But let me give you some tea real quick. I bought these bathing suits from her because I was like, oh, we'll support black business. Like, you know, black girl has a bathing suit line, let me support her. But these are coming straight out of China. She ain't making these. The reason why I have to let y'all know it like that is because some of them I got, when you take the sticker off, it's super sticky up under it. Like even after you wash it, I like to wash my bathing suits before I wear them. The sticker leaves this gross, nasty, sticky film and you have to like soak the bikini before you can wear it. It's just too much. And I'm like, this does not feel like someone's paying attention to it. Like, I don't think she's getting the product from China, checking it, making sure it's good, and then sending it to you. It's like it's coming straight from China. And it smells like it too. Smells like plastic, smells like packaging. Anyway, yeah, I gotta be honest about that because I was really annoyed. And also I bought it when it was $26 and the next day all the bathing suits were $12. And then 2 days after that they were all $10. It's like, this is not, she don't need my money is what I have to say. So she will not be getting it again. But good luck on your future endeavors. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go and give y'all this view one more time so you can see what I'm seeing. Look at that beauty. The sprinklers, look at this loveliness. Before I go, this has been the what's it called, sunscreen that I've been using. The hotel offers this sunscreen. It's not for black people, I'll say that. It definitely leaves that purple tint. I look like one of the Gross sisters. It eventually, I think, calms down, but it still looks weird. Don't like that. I actually have another one. It just doesn't have a heavy sunscreen SPF. This only has an SPF of 35, but this is from M Rose, which is black owned. And I don't think it gives me that gross thing, but it doesn't smell good. I like sunscreen lotion that smells like sunscreen lotion. This smells like just, I don't even know what it smells like. It doesn't have a scent to it, but it does. Okay, definitely almost just walked out in slippers. My front yard, my tree that my husband planted for me. Just manifesting life, that's all. Nothing wrong with that, right? Every day I take this little morning walk and it's just nothing but life around me. Nothing but life. You cannot be mad at this. I could do this every day, for real. The thing I think, you know, especially with being a black woman, we have this innate, you know, urge to want to work and support our own, that not working feels like it's not the right thing to do. Hold on, let's just take a moment to take in these really cute blue flowers, this blue flower bush. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, black women just, we want to take care of our people. We want to take care of ourselves. We grow up being taught, you know, we have to work 10 times harder than everybody else. And so we don't give ourselves, hold on girl, it's a hill. It's gonna be some breathing. We don't give ourselves time to rest and relax and to do that type of shit. We're just constantly work, 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 work. So when I have moments like these, I really take a minute to like breathe that shit in and just be thankful for it, because I know outside of this, I'm constantly working. My head is always in a space of what can I be doing to be better, to be bigger? What can I be doing to better myself? What can I be doing to better the people around me? So it's nice. It's nice to have a comforting moment to just breathe. Look at this cute car. How cute is this? I don't know if I ever showed y'all this. How cute is that? Cutest little Jeep ever. And then they always have fresh water up here every day. And it really tastes good. I'm gonna wait for him to come back, and then I'm gonna call a car to the beach. But until then, hey little buddies. Oh. Hotel Wailea knows how to do it. Look at this Tesla. Girl, get your damn life and some money. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate the ride.
Have a nice day.
Bye, you too, darling. So there is a little raggedy cat that be perched up right over here somewhere. I gotta keep all my eyes out for him, all 4 of them. Cause what you not going to do, have me out here jumping. Hold on. Boom. And this is the walk to the beach. This is what it looks like. After you get dropped off, you walk down, you put your stuff down, and you get in. If you're wondering if the Hawaiian ocean water, it is warm, it is. It feels so good, literally. To make sure the girls were in. Look at Renee. Now Renee be dipping and diving all up in the water. She's a swimmer. She's got her scuba diving license. So the beach is really a thing for her. Me on the other hand, girl, I just want to sit and look at something. Look, what you want? All I want to do is see something. Hey, gorgeous girl. Hi. Just finished yoga. That was cool. I'm ready to get up out of this bodysuit because it's hot as hell. Change into my bikini, and then we are going to the beach. Back to the beach. Gotta go to the beach on the last day, right? I've never gone this way. Let's see where this takes us. Oh Lord. Oh, it takes you nowhere. Adventure time. Little lizards everywhere. Wow. Feels like Jurassic Park. I hate to cut through the grass, but I'm gonna do it. Is that disrespectful? Oh, look at Dana. Yeah, it's disrespectful. This little sarong, I've literally had since middle school. Judge ye not, because I'll put you in the headlock. Okay, goodbye. We're out here. No. Take a little. Oh, that's where the tide. The tide is coming in so high. It wasn't all the way up here the first couple of days we got here. So I think that's interesting. Hello nature. Hello earth. Hello rotation. And yeah. I don't look that cute with my hair in this bun like this, but girl, what you want me to do? Body on 10,000. What's up? So, this is my look for dinner tonight. And I want to add a little glisten. Yes, God.
Night. Yeah. Oh no. Oh my god, don't film. Oh.
Too late.
Sir.
I didn't film the fall.
He's drunk.
This guy's trying to back up from karaoke. So, I am about to go down to the beach. I'm gonna take my, we got little notebooks. I'm gonna take my notebook down. I'm gonna write some intentions out. And I'm just gonna enjoy some quiet time. I'm gonna take my headphones. Hold on, let me get my headphones. Get that key. Yeah, man, the last day. I feel good. I don't wanna leave, of course, but I feel full. And that's always great. This has been beyond my expectations. I haven't packed yet, but I think I'll be okay. Because everything's like basically, it just needs to be put in my bag. It's not like it's all thrown all over the place. So I think I'll be straight. Okay, let's go to the beach. Ooh, girl. They done pulled all our little stuff down. Girl, y'all are done. Checkout is today at 12 shop.
How was the club?
Girl.
Music daisy, busy daisy. Yeah. Music daisy got me feeling some type of high. Rhythm like this and a bass like that got me grooving some type of way. Oh yes. Feel so right, I'm over my feet. Please step back and give me some space. Oh yeah. Sweet operator, don't you stop, keep following. Breathe in my system, watch me shake off all the way.
So like, you know, if you don't see stuff, I mean, if they're really ridiculous here, and I don't know if they are like really like, you know, $50 for like a set of coconut bra, I mean, you can get the whole set for like, you know, $8 at Walmart.
No way!
Came in here to possibly do some souvenir shopping. We're in a souvenir shop. I'm going to show you what it's looking like.
Man. Hello. Hello.
How cute is this little baby shirt? I like these. I like those a lot. Just for like an at-home in the house situation. You know, I'm good for like an at-home little throw-on top dress thing. Girl, this wouldn't be worn anywhere else but the house. Okay, thank you so much. No, sir. You need to take some time to clean this out. Shouldn't be no reason why this looks like this. No, he was just wiping off the dust off his hands. You gotta wipe the dust off your hands after messing with your own supply. Don't tiki me off. We in these Hawaiian streets. It's so cool seeing like locals just driving around like, what you doing, sir? Boy, bye. You don't get your ass on playing Flow Rider. Go ahead. I know you ain't over there gassing your damn bike. Oh, he putting air in the tire. Girl, I was about to say, y'all move totally different in Hawaii. So right now we're in the city of Kalama. Oh no, that's just Kalama Park? I don't know. You move to Maui when you got it and you don't care about making any more money. Like you've made your money. Because there's really not a lot out here. You know what I'm saying? Not in Maui. Maybe in the other parts of Hawaii, but not Maui. I heard Honolulu is more of like a city. People refer to Honolulu like it's like a little mini Miami, which is crazy. You would never guess that. I would never guess that. Best calamari.
My nails are not dead, girl.
Look, we're not even gonna get your nails. Just this. Look, I love her bracelet. Beautiful.
Okay, that's not bad. Thank you. It's called the Island Gourmet.
Because you know how like they have Target and Target.
So, forgot to pull my camera out when I got to the airport, but I'm here. What is this? Danger zone. Oh wow. Hawaiian culture. Hawaiian culture. Yes, Lord. Get me a man. Oh, I know they don't have all his stuff out. Oh, excuse me. Now, I'm sure he didn't know y'all was gonna put him on black, not Toots. Oh, I'm sure Toots isn't happy with this job. Oh, somebody was mad, a little Tootie Toots. You done pissed somebody off. Okay, well, bye Toots. Okay, Toots got a little ass on her. Okay, Tootie. Bye, Toots. Wouldn't mind tooting something myself. Okay. Hold on. Let's see, 2.5 like Tootie. Oh, hold on. Yeah. It's a long way to walk. God damn. What? Let me put my camera up so then they can make it for this whole situation. But y'all pray for me, pray for peace, pray for a TV. Pray that maybe I'll run into my man in first class. I mean, here's hoping, right? But I'm tired of holding this, so I'm gonna go. See you later. And boom, we're home, finally. Oh my God. I thought those flights were never ending. We're home. I'm ready to get in the shower and get in my damn bed. My whole clock though is like turned around. I'm very tired right now. I got a lot of sleep on the plane. I actually slept on all the flights that I was on. That's how I know. I was super tired. And yeah, super cool. I don't know why I said that. I was passing some white boys. I just wanted to be on their level real quick, give them something they know. You know what I'm saying? People be so thrown off because of my hat. Just like, what is she serving? Who is she? What is she? Where is she coming from? So there's a car picking me up, and then I'm home. Thank God. Already, I'm done. I'm done. And I'm done with these little hills. If I have to climb another ramp, I'm gonna hurt somebody. This is what I've been doing. Lord Jesus. No more climbs, please, Lord. Okay, I'm gonna go because I'm tired of holding this camera.